Most tax professionals default to pulling an account transcript, but sometimes you need the record of account instead. Here is when and why. The record of account transcript combines two documents into one: the return transcript showing what was originally filed, and the account transcript showing every IRS action taken since. When do you need it? 3 situations. First, when you are reconstructing a client's tax history and need both the filed data and the processing history in one place. Second, when preparing for an audit or appeals hearing where you need to show exactly what was filed alongside what the IRS changed. Third, when a client changed preparers and you have no copy of the original return. The downside is that record of account transcripts are longer and more complex. For routine refund status checks, the account transcript alone is faster. Rule of thumb: use the account transcript for status questions.
Use the record of account when you need the full story. Transcript Tax Monitor Pro handles both transcript types and gives you a clean report either way. Free code lookup in the description.